Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see Bitcoin Chicks and I will be giving you an overview of what the project's about. We can see the NFT here. It looks really cool, great chick. And about the project, it's a collection of 6,969 unique, magnificent and sexy women living on the Ethereum blockchain. Each individual trait is hand-drawn and unique. Owning a Bitcoin Chick grants you access to an exclusive social club which provides a variety of perks, including airdrops, merch, Bitcoin lottery, profit sharing, real-world utilities, and many more. With this collection, we honor two chicks of Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder of Bitcoin. Satoshi's chicks are as known as himself, but it's certain that without the help of his chicks, Mr. Nakamoto would never have been able to focus 100% on his great masterpiece, Bitcoin. Therefore, we will allocate a portion of our minting profits into building a statue displaying Mr. Nakamoto and his chicks in this metaverse. There will also be a random community giveaway of 0.69 Bitcoin, 1.69 Ethereum, 69 Luna, 69 AVAX, and 6,900 CRO to our awesome community Bitcoin Chicks holders. And of course there is a roadmap, and guys, mint date will take place at 9 AM PCT on the 29th of June, and the public sale it will be on 9 AM PCT on the 30th of June. And on the July, creation of the statue of Satoshi Nakamoto and his chicks in this metaverse. Random community giveaway. Community giveaways will start on July, so you should definitely go and join their Discord to hear all the news. To stay tuned. In August, a brand new collection is airdropping for Bitcoin Chicks holders. Free airdrop will be coming in August, and merch drop, but it's only for Bitcoin Chicks holders. So if you go and mint one of these checks, you will be able to get an airdrop on August. And September, token launches, token airdrop for all holders, and staking will start on September. October, implementing Bitcoin lottery into our ecosystem, because use your staking rewards to participate in the weekly lottery to win Bitcoin. This is really perfect and different. November, a brand new collection is dropping for Bitcoin Chicks holders. Free airdrop, first Bitcoin Chicks and Friends event party. On November there will be event party, so it looks amazing. December, digital meets real world. This is the important point of the project, important and fun part of this project. They planning to meet real world. NFT holders will get free coffee bar pop up will open, guys. NFT holders get free access to crypto workshops. NFT holders get actual profits from the Bitcoin, and income streams are food, beverage, crypto workshops, and Bitcoin. On 2022, mint pass for future NFT mints. More Bitcoin coffee pops-ups will follow all over the world. Even a stationary franchise model. Why not? Expect the unexpected. We can see the NFTs here, the green, the orange, the colorful ones, and the Bitcoin Chicks. They look really perfect. Also the team is here, and FAQs. Yeah, it's on Ethereum, so mint price will be 0.069 Ethereum. How can you mint? You need to download MetaMask on your browser and connect. Purchase Ethereum. You'll purchase Ethereum such as Coinbase or Binance, and you need to send Ethereum from this exchange. It changes from what you use. Let's say from Binance, you need to send Ethereum from Binance to MetaMask. I'm sure you already know that, but when it's time to mint, open a Bitcoin Chicks website. You need to come here and select the number of NFTs you wish to purchase. Click mint button. MetaMask will pop up and asking for connection. You need to confirm the transaction and any associated fees. Of course, there will be fees, and then you can have your check. Once you've made your purchase, your NFTs will appear in your wallet and OpenSea. Public sale date here. What is the total supply? I already told you they are unique. Engage in our community and contact the mods on Twitter or Discord for more information about presale and whitelisting. And how they're generated. How can I buy one if minting is sold out? You can buy it on OpenSea. There are some very rare ones in this collection. You don't want to miss out. If you have one NFT from the Bitcoin Chicks collection in your MetaMask wallet, head over to Colorblend Join and verify your NFT. And if you still have questions, you should definitely go join their Discord, follow them on Twitter and Instagram, guys. This is what the Bitcoin Chicks about. It's a really nice collection, and there are lots of colorful chicks in this collection, guys. I recommend you to go check their Twitter, also the Instagram, and you should definitely join their Discord to learn more about this project and ask any questions you want. Roadmap was really different. They have great plans for the future, and it can be really different. I wish them the best and hope to see great events in the future. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next project.